I'm at the plant house. Plant shopping, my favorite thing to do. Let's see what we can find. Next year. This has got to be one of my favorite stores for plant finds. They had a really big sale today, as you can imagine, and it was really, really busy. Although they don't mind me filming or people filming, I wanted to respect people's spaces. There was a lot of people. As you can imagine, I found a couple of rare varieties that I've been looking for, and they actually had cuttings. I did get a couple of clips in, and I'm sharing them with you, but I had so much fun. I want to get dinged on the music in the background, so of course I'm doing this little bit voiceover. Look at that Florida Ghost. That Florida Ghost was $105. It was so tempting, but I didn't do it, guys. Also, this Alocasia, she's gorgeous. Those I do have two baby Florida Ghosts, so I'm just going to be patient and wait and watch them grow. And here I am. Oh, beautiful me. The plant house, and of course I got some new plant babies. I'm in love. I'm in love. So they sold this as a cutting. I've got new plant. She's gorgeous, a birdie, and then a gloriosum, and then this one is kind of new, the long leaves, variegated. And then what else? I got something else in here. Some cuttings, painted lady, variegated ring of fire. It's a cutting. They were $3. Cebu blue, look how big those are. Those were cuttings for $1. And then I think I got 6 cuttings, and then I got another one. 2 cuttings of this. I'm super excited. I didn't do too bad. They also had 20% off their pots. This pot was $10 with 20% off, and then there's another cute little African style pot. This one was $6, 20% off. So I think I did pretty good. Comment down below and let me know how much you think I spent. Finish the day the best way I know how. Ice cream in hand. Good vibes. Ooh, good vibes only. That one's for you, and of course this one's for me. All right, let's check out the thrift store next door. And finally, we're home. Started the day at one of my favorite plant shops where they sell plant cuttings for a bargain. Yes, please. I love saving money and watching these babies grow. Seriously, nothing beats the joy of rooting a new plant for just a few bucks. Gorgeous. Her roots look so good. that there until I get another little vase. Here's a Blissful Spaces plant care tip. Start your cutting in water, wait for the roots, and then move them to soil for that big glow up. Some plants can live in water way longer than you think. Some more Cebu Blue. Oh, isn't she gorgeous? These, well, actually this mother plant was a cutting, grew into a huge mother plant, and I was able to propagate 3 different plants. And so I have one here, one in the living room, one outside. So I wanted to test to see which one would grow better. The one that is outside, irrigation kind of reverted. There are 2 split moon leaf plants, some more cuttings. This one looks like it's actually getting ready to produce more leaves. There's 2 of them like that. This one was a cutting, a lot of roots already. So it probably needs to be potted. And here I have a Mican Halo. She's gorgeous. Her, I have 3 propagations. And so this is the last one, just waiting for roots. This is a Pink Princess. You can really see how gorgeous she is. This was one plant. I separated it into 3 pieces. The other one I have potted outside. I just wanted to see which would grow faster. I just actually switched it to this bowl. It was in a vase and it looked a little crowded. Put it in the bowl with some water. See how it grows. This is a Thai constellation. It wasn't doing so well. My first thought was just go ahead and cut it and propagate it. It doesn't look like it's gonna pop back or do something quick. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. And then this one is my variegated albo. She's gorgeous. She's one of my favorites. She's got variegation, and you can see she's already producing the split leaves. Goes all the way down here, and she's grown so big. Gorgeous. So these are all the plants. Normally I have tons of plants in my plant room. I wanted to share some of my propagations with you. Why go out and spend hundreds of dollars on plants when you can get a simple cutting and produce your own plants? I gotta show you this. For 2 of my thrift finds, actually going to, well, I'm gonna have my husband to mount that. I could do it myself, but I'm just gonna let him do it. I'm gonna mount these, and then I'm actually going to put a plant area in the corner. Gets lots of sun. So I used to have my string of pearls in this area, but it's beautiful, nice and hot outside. So I've got it outside and it's growing like crazy. So I'm gonna place 2 of these scones right there. These were $3. And then there was a 25% off. I got this for a good deal. This area, I do have a lot of wrought iron. You can see a little glimpse. Look at those beauties. The lights are off in the kitchen. Didn't plan on sharing that part, but look how tall she's almost to the ceiling. I love it. Anyways, this is my thrifty find. It's been a while since I've been to the thrift store, but I was in search of art. I wanted paintings, and let's go back because the kitchen is kind of dark. But I went to the thrift store in search of paintings. Normally when I go to the thrift store, I'm looking for tea sets. I didn't see anything, but I saw those and I was like, oh, I think I'm gonna grab those. So this was my find today with you. So yeah. Not bad. $99, 20% off, so that was a pretty good deal. Mount it to the wall like this. This area gets lots of sun, so I I think that's gonna be really cute. I'll fix it. It's leaning, but I'm gonna fix it. Thanks for hanging out with me while I ran errands today, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, happy gardening, happy thrifting, and of course, plant parenting. I just wanted to show you. This is what it's looking like. I might get another pot. As you can see, I have plenty of room for it to upsize it, so I'll probably wait about 2 weeks. I usually let my plants wait and get acclimated with its new home. But I just wanted to show you my little thrift find. And I love this little corner. This is my Rio, and she's gorgeous. The last time you saw her, she was a little tiny thing, and she was a little clipping, and look at that. Look at that. So, all right, just wanted to share. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I'll see you in my next video.